Go and bend the knee.
Close your jaw here. 1, 2. Good. 3. There we go. Good. Close your jaw here. 1, 2. 3. There we go.
So I was experiencing some chronic health issues and some chronic pain for years and years. I got really used to living that way, and I finally decided that I wanted to take control of my health and my body and be a little bit more proactive. And so I decided to look into chiropractic work, and I found it really useful for me in helping managing my pain, the day-to-day symptoms I have, but also the long-term health.
Let's release this aside a little bit. And one more.
Good. Yeah, lift this up here for just a second. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Nice and easy. There we go. Good. One more. There we go. We'll grab your whole head. Go to the side. Good. And one more on this side. All right. Good. All right, my friend. Let's go on your side facing. Go. I'm gonna bring this leg up a little bit. Take a deep breath in. This is all about far upper position right there. Didn't take much, did it?
Yeah.
Say go right in your back.
That's funny.
Grab on right to the sides. There we go. We're gonna give a good pull. We're gonna bend the knee. There we go. And the idea is always to open up the knee, the hip, and a little back. Let's do the same thing. This guy here. Fantastic. Let's head face towards me this way. Let's get on here. Nice and relaxed. Double check. There we go. I'm gonna go a little deep on this one, alright? Let's see right in here. Good. And the same time this one. Now I'm gonna give a good pull here, very gentle, okay?
Okay.
Let's see right underneath here. Grab your bun. Close your jaw here. 1, 2.
Sharp shooting pain. It's a good sign.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.